This is a windshield wiper project for Coach L's robotic engineering, and it deals with a servo, potentiometer, Wi-Fi, limit switches, and it's done by Vincenzo Shimataro and Cole Costa. All right, go ahead and show me. This is the stop mode?
This is the
Okay, so take it out of stop mode and go up to the next intermediate level. And we got a pause, which is controlling the speed of the servo, which is not supposed to be able to do, which is nice. Turn it up. So now we'll go into slow mode, right? Now go up to medium. And fast. Really nicely done. Okay, shut it down to stop. Nice. Beautiful.